Hi, class. Today we will be talking about entrepreneurial strengths and talents. During this session, class, you will identify characteristics of a successful entrepreneur, examine personal entrepreneurial qualifications and characteristics, develop a plan for building entrepreneurial skills, and we will be using the activity titled Entrepreneurial Strengths and Talents, which I have attached to your Schoology, by the way, in today's assignment. Okay, so get ready. When written in Chinese, the word crisis is composed of two characters. One represents danger and the other represents opportunity. Who said this? President John F. Kennedy. How is it possible for danger and opportunity to exist at the same time? Here's the answer. What strengths and talents do you think entrepreneurs would need to have to see to this world? And the answer is possible attributes might include risk takers, adventurers, problem solvers, innovators, and so on. Entrepreneurs are often considered to be pioneers. That's interesting. Okay, so these vocabulary words, you will need these words to complete today's assignment. So when you're completing today's assignment, if you want to open two screens and pause this video whenever you're doing this, it would be very, very beneficial. Okay, so what entrepreneurs are. How might these characteristics show themselves in a business content? Select each term to learn. Persistent. There's the definition. Being persistent could mean continuing to work on an idea despite the obstacles. Persuasive. Being persuasive could mean attracting partners or customers to your company. Passionate. Being passionate could mean believing the product or services you are offering make a difference in people's lives. Risk taker. Being a risk taker means that when it comes to your business, you are willing to weigh risk against benefits. Confident. Self-confident could be required to act on a business opportunity that no one else sees. Self-motivated. Self-motivated might be necessary when none of your colleagues is inclined to do things in a different way. Team player. You have to be a team player because you will likely need to bring other people to build a successful business. Last but not least, innovate. Being innovative would help you come up with ideas, a new product or service. Okay? So what I want you to do now is I want you to look at that video again if you need it. I'm sorry, not to look at the video again, but basically to watch the definitions that I just went over. And if you need to pause them. Okay? Those definitions you will use on today's assignment. Okay? Let's go to the next slide. Okay, and what you will need to do today is I will go ahead and send you a link so you can register for the Junior Achievement website. When you register for the website, you will have to complete a survey. I'm sorry, it's called the Entrepreneurial Self-Assessment, and you're going to rate your own skills, okay? But don't worry about that. Whenever you receive the link, then you complete it. I will try to send it today, but if not, later this week, okay? Maybe next class period. Okay, let's go ahead and wrap it up. What characteristics do successful entrepreneurs possess? Entrepreneurs possess a number of distinct traits. Some might include self-motivated, team player, innovate, persistent, persuasive, passionate, and risk taker. What personal entrepreneur qualification and characteristics do you possess? Okay, so I want you to think about it. What characteristics do you possess? What plan do you have to develop your own entrepreneurship skills? Okay, so now go ahead and complete the attachment. You will answer these questions. Once you answer the questions, save it and email it to me or attach it to Schoology. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.